माननीय के रागेश जी, माननीय के रागेश जी, माननीय के रागेश जी, प्लीज।
Thank you, Honorable.
माननीय के रागेश, 6 minutes only, 6 minutes. Please, we are moving. Please, Mr. के रागेश, please.
No, I need your protection. See,
You please speak.
No, I need
सिर्फ
your
आपकी बात
protection, sir.
रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी, सिर्फ आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी.
sir, sir, I stand to oppose the resolution moved here to extend the president's rule for another 6 months period. Sir, it is going to be a provocative action and it is going to resultant in the further alienation of the people of Kashmir. Sir, alienation will not stop terrorism. It is going to be resultant in the growth of terrorism. Honorable Minister, Home Minister must take note of that. Sir, as many other members have already explained here, if Parliament election was able to conduct, why can't you conduct the assembly election immediately? How can you justify that? Sir, yes, many political parties were, majority of the political parties in the state of Jammu and Kashmir were demanding for immediate election. So let us go for an immediate election so that the people of Kashmir can be involved in the democratic process. Sir, it is very clear that the present government's Kashmir plot proved to be a failure. It is proved to be a debacle. Sir, what is your Kashmir policy? And what is the outcome of that policy? Please let me know whether the terror attack has been reduced. Sir, please let me know the ceasefire violation has been reduced. Sir, please let me know the killing of civilians has been reduced. Sir, please let me know the killing of our security personnel has been reduced. No, sir. Then how can you claim that your Kashmir policy is a success? Sir, it is utter debacle. Sir, in 9 to 14, total 109 terror attacks were taken place. And during your period, it has been increased into 626. Sir, prior to your period, 139 security personnel were killed. And during your period, it has been increased into 210. Sir, prior to your period, 12 civilians were killed. And during your period, it has been increased into more than 300. And sir, so far as ceasefire violations are concerned, prior to your period, it was 563. And now it has been alarmingly increased into 5,595, sir. Sir, what more to say? What more to say that, sir, your Kashmir plot is turned to be a debacle, sir. Sir, so far as, if you look at the alienation that is being taken place in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, sir, local youth, they are joining terror outfits. Numerous local youths are joining. And the number is alarmingly increasing. Sir, in 2009, till 2009, 14 youths, I am talking on the basis of the data of the government itself, till 2019, during 2009 to 2014, it was 16 youth had joined terror outfits. Now it has been increased to 191. Why, sir? Because of the alienation that is happening there. And it is due to the policy that your implementing there. Sir, you are trying to build an empire on the dead bodies of your own people. You are trying to divide the people on communal lines. Sir, all parties are united in fighting against terror. When we are opposing your Kashmir policy, it does not mean all parties cutting across political lines, all are opposed to terror. But you are trying to manipulate it as a fight against Kashmiris and also a fight against Muslims. Sir, that is the basic problem. And you want to divide the people on communal lines. And you are using Kashmir issue to divide the people on communal line. Sir, why Kashmir youths are being targeted throughout the country?
Please conclude now.
Why, sir? Let the Honorable Minister explain that. So you don't want to, you want the Kashmir issue to be continued for your petty political gains. Sir, you have to unite the people. If you are serious in resolving the Kashmir issue, you have to unite the people to fight terror. But unfortunately, you are dividing the people on communal lines for and utilizing the question of terror for your jingoistic nationalism.
Conclude now. Conclude
And,
now.
sir, it has to be opposed. That
Thank
is
you,
why,
Rakesh ji.
from
Thank
the very beginning, that
Thank
I
you.
had said that I stand to oppose this particular resolution. Thank you, sir.